Hi friends, in this video we are going to see a basic quick analysis of Indo National Limited. Indo National Limited, together with its subsidiaries, manufactures and distributes dry cell batteries and lighting products in India. The company was formerly known as Nippo Batteries Co. Limited, and changed its name to Indo National Limited in April 2013. Indo National Limited was incorporated in 1972 and is headquartered in Chennai. Indo National is engaged in the business of manufacture and marketing of batteries, torches, LED products, emergency power backup products, mosquito bats and other electrical goods. In addition, it offers razors and blades under DORCO brand, electrical accessories, and other FMCG products. The market capital, which means a measure of share market valuation of this company, is around 327 crores, so it will come under small cap company. The book value, which represents a fair and accurate picture of a company's worth, is 338 rupees per share. The compounded sales growth of this company over last 10 years was 0%, 5 years it was 8% and 3 years it was 11%. A higher compounded sales growth is usually better while a falling is a bad sign. The compounded profit growth of this company over last 10 years was 0%, 5 years it was 17% and 3 years it was 11%. The CAGR, which indicating the investors what they really have at the end of the investment over last 10 years, was 8%, 5 years it was -2%, 3 years it was 7% and 1 year it was 29%. The return on equity, which indicates how well a company's management used shareholders' capital. A higher return on equity is usually better while a falling return on equity may indicate a less efficient usage of equity capital by the company. Anyway, the compounded return on equity of this company over last 10 years was 0%, 5 years it was 9%, 3 years it was 8% and 1 year it was 13%. The pay ratio of this company is 10.55, which means this company stock is trading at 10.55 times multiples with respect to its current value. In general, pay value less than 15 is considered as undervalued and greater than 15 is considered as overvalued. At the same time, pay ratio greater than 15 will shows investors are anticipating higher growth in future. Anyway, the pay value of other companies in this same sector is 63.19. The PB ratio, which means the market's valuation of the company relative to its book value, is 1.18. In general, PB value less than 3 is considered as good one. Anyway, the sector PB ratio is 4.77. The dividend yield, that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price, is 2.93%. Pros: company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 68.18%. Cons: the company has delivered a poor sales growth of 8.04% over past 5 years, contingent liabilities of 128.35 crore rupees. The promoters holding this company shares has decreased to -9.5% over last 3 years, which shows that promoters itself losing the hope towards the company performance. Thanks for watching this video.